Hello, welcome back to the workshop. Great to have you here again. Today, you remember a little while ago I was making some Damascus spurs? The Damascus spurs still exist. And on today's episode, I'm gonna take these spurs, and I'm gonna see how much of them I can finish off. Thanks for watching, I hope you enjoy. So much for joining me on this video series as I made these Damascus spurs. Huge amount of fun, of course, something I've never attempted, nor do I think have I ever even seen a pair of spurs, so probably all sorts of inaccurate to them, but they're a lot of fun to make and a great project, a great educational project in me learning how much one can mess around with mosaic Damascus without destroying the pattern too much. These kind of things. I learned a lot about forging, I learned a lot about finishing, learned a lot about the mosaic Damascus steel. Thank you so much for watching. It's been a massive amount of fun. I want to remind you that at 50,000 subscribers, we're gonna have a brilliant giveaway, so be sure to share this video with your friends, leave a like and comment below. It all helps magnificently. I'd love to hear what you would like me to make next. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching. It's a pleasure. As always, it truly, truly is. Thank you again. Subscribe, and I will see you tomorrow on the live show. Bye-bye.